All y'all with kids, you know, when you have a daughter, you don't really think about having a big wedding.
I woke up with you on my mind.
There are things going on, but this ain't one of them, you know.
Yeah, I'm morning feeling up your eyes, waking up the life in me.
When Kelly was growing up, she was wide open. She would run around the house, fall down steps. She had bruises on her head all the time from running into stuff. I was afraid child services was gonna like haul me in, but you know.
You give me new eyes open, you call my heart beating.
But to be able to share this special time with all of you is awesome. It's awesome.
There's a quiet moving in your wings. It's a peace I've never known.
We love BR and welcome to the family.
Build my anchor for it in your wings. Slow it down and call you home. Set my soul on fire. You give me new eyes open. You call my heart beating to love.
Dearly beloved, we've come together in the presence of God to witness and bless the joining together of this man and this woman in holy matrimony.
I love you, Mom, but really, I do. You are my biggest supporter, and I wouldn't be where I am without you.
You give me new eyes open.
I can't wait to start the love train with you tonight and dance until the morning. I love you, Mom. Kelly.
Well, we're both in real estate in some aspects, so we had a common point of conversation. Kelly is from Birmingham. We're all from New York City.
You are my favorite place to go.
I can tell you how I knew that BR and Kelly were gonna get married.
You're at the end of my favorite road.
We met in the city. Kelly moved up, and her friend kind of set us up.
The rest, you're the best I know.
We went to dinner in Tuscaloosa when we first started getting to know him. Some of my friends were just giving him unmitigated hell at dinner.
You are my favorite shade of rose.
No, and he just took it like a man.
A flower bed on my favorite stone.
Kelly tore into me when we got home because I didn't take up for him. I was like, well, he's a grown man, he can handle it, but you know. But she's never done that before, and I thought, oh, she likes this guy. So that was a foreshadow of the events. My beautiful baby girl. Raise a toast to BR and Kelly.
You are my favorite kind of glow. You radiate my favorite tone. You shed a light that guides me home to my favorite place.
One apology, I only know one person that the birds pooped on during the ceremony. It's George, he's Cajun, he don't care.
Forgive as the Lord forgave you. And over all these virtues, put on love, which binds them all together in perfect unity.
This holy union, Kelly Brianna Core and Brian Robert Von Schmidt come now to be joined.
In the name of God, I, Brian, take you, Kelly, to be my wife.
In the name of God, I, Kelly, take you, Brian, to be my husband.
To have and to hold, from this day forward, for better, for worse,
For richer, for poor, in sickness and in health.
to love and to cherish,
To love and to cherish,
until we're parted by death.
until we are parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Who presents this woman to be married to this man?
Her mother and I.
Privilege to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Brian Robert Von Schmidt. And make this your bride.
Yeah, okay. I like to do things the way I do things. I want to do things, I like to do things the way I do things. It's been a minute since I've been out solo dolo, and I'm fiending for some vices on the low low. I'm gonna do what I do when I keep it on live. Wanna move, wanna groove, wanna make that thing pop. Pace yourself, brace yourself, things about to get wild. Relax yourself, release yourself, things about to get wild. Things about to get wild. Things about to get wild. I do it like this, I do it like that, 'cause I like it like that. I do it like this, I do it like that, 'cause I like it like that. Do you like it like that? Do you like it like that? Yeah, I like it like this, yeah, I like it like that. I can tell that something's got you feeling loose now, and your hands and body moving in a groove now. Put your hands and feet together with the beat now. Put your hands and feet together with the beat now. Pace yourself, brace yourself, things about to get wild. Relax yourself, release yourself, things about to get wild. Things about to get wild. Things about to get wild. I do it like this, I do it like that, 'cause I like it like that. I do it like this, I do it like that, 'cause I like it like that. Do you like it like that? Do you like it like that? Yeah, I like it like this, yeah, I like it like that. Like this, like this, like this, like this, like that, yeah. Like that, like this, like this, like this, like that, yeah. Not that, like this, like this, like this, like that, yeah. Like that, yeah.